If you are still using your regular WhatsApp to run your business, you are missing out on features that can handle your sales and save your time every week. In this video, I will show you how to turn your WhatsApp into a professional money-making machine, and it only takes few minutes to set up. I will walk you guys through setting up your WhatsApp business, creating a quick reply and auto messages, product catalog, and even how to handle your customers like a pro, all in your phone. Now I'm going to be showing you guys this. Without wasting further time, go ahead and click on your Android Play Store to download the application, which is the WhatsApp application. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp Business. Now if you see WhatsApp Business, is this one right here, and do not forget it has this particular WhatsApp LLC, which is actually the publisher, WhatsApp LLC. After you downloaded it, go ahead and open, because I already downloaded mine. So if it's your first time, click on open, and now click on agree and continue. Then go ahead and enter in your phone number. I'm going to enter in my phone number right now. Okay, I think I made a mistake in the number. It should be 5, one of them. Okay, this is accurate. Next. So just follow in the procedure, you continue. So it's going to send a code to the other phone, and the other phone is probably off, but the phone is currently active right here. So I'm just going to enter in the code that is displaying right here. Paste. Then it's asking for the pin, so I'm going to go ahead and enter in my pin. All right, I have entered in my pin and it was a success. Now to continue, all you need to do is to click on continue. So you probably might allow. I do not want to allow. This is not necessary. Okay, you know what, let me just allow that, because it might ask for picture. Allow to access your contact, allow. So now it's looking for backup. I don't really have any backup, so I'm going to skip this. So the business name, I'm going to say CS Tech. Okay, so now you are going to have to enter in the category of your business. So go ahead and choose the exact category. Let's say if it's finance, if it's beauty and cosmetic, choose the exact category of your business. You click on that, and if it's more than one, you can actually go ahead and select every corresponding category, but you can only choose only 3. You see, it's only 3 that we're allowed to choose. So I say cosmetic and beauty care, non-profit, and we can also say education, restaurant. Just choose any one that fits in your category. Let's say travel and transparency. So I'm going to go next. Now it's asking for the hour of the business. So this is going to determine, depending on the hour your business is open. If it's always open, probably an internet business, you click on always open. But probably if you run your business from a particular time to a particular time, you can click on this to open at a selected hour. Now you are going to choose the selected hour, open Monday, Tuesday. This time is on default. You can actually change this to fit your need. Just click on it and drag it to, let's say, 8 a.m. to, let's say, 8:30 a.m. Click OK to 6 p.m. That is fine. And I'm going to open all of this also. So if you open on Sunday also, you can select this, but I'm just going to leave this inactive. Saturday and Sunday we do not open, but on your own case you can choose whatever time you open, and once you're done, you click on next. Now you have to select a profile image. I'm going to leave this as the default profile image because I already have a profile image, but on your own case you can click on this camera icon to either use the camera to snap, or this is actually the back of my camera. If I click on this, it's going to turn to the front of my camera. Right now I'm going to go ahead and go to the back. and I'm going to just go ahead and I want to go back because I do not want to snap anything. And if you have it on your gallery, you can click on the camera icon, then you go to your gallery and you choose the appropriate image. I'm actually okay with the particular image that is right there. So go back and then click on next. After you selected your image and you go to next, now this area you need to put the address of your office. So I'm going to say Ikeja, Lagos. All right, Nigeria. Okay, then you have to put a website if you own a website. So I'm going to do tstechtalk.com. This is actually my website, so you can actually check that out. So you click on next once you're done. Why? This is correct. I don't know why you rejected that. Says invalid website. This is very correct. I do not know why you rejected it. So you keep rejecting it just to make sure that I'm not making a mistake. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my website in a URL ts. So immediately load up, I'm just going to copy it. I just want to confirm this is accurate. So go ahead and copy and then come right here, highlight everything, then paste my URL and then next. So I do not know why it did not like accept that, but anyway, this is correct and everything is correct. So you click on update. Now the next thing is for you to put in this description of your business. Now if you are running a professional business, you need to make sure that you describe your business very well so that there won't be any mistake if the person is locating So make sure that you describe your business professionally, and once you're done, you click on next. After this, it's going to initialize, process everything, and then take you to the next page. So if you're having any issue creating this or having any issue doing this, just let me know in the comment section. But I think this is actually going to be very easy for you. So now the next place you need to actually, you can see it says offer better browsing. It shows you, it's just telling you what the catalog is going to do, because if you notice this area, this is the catalog area. So setting up your catalog, this is actually the features, and this is the interesting thing. And also if you want to send item to your catalog, this is what you need. So you click on get started, and then this is the area. You can notice it says this is my profile image, right? And this is the name, and this is my description, and then this is actually where I add my catalog. So if you want to add a catalog, now catalog is the product that you are selling. So you click on this add a new item, and then it's going to load up and it's going to bring you to a page where you start adding a new item into the catalog. So wait for that to load up. Now the first thing is for you to upload the image of your catalog. Now I do not have any image right now, but let me just select a random image on my device. So I'm going to select this, right? This is just a sketch I did for a small boy. So once you selected your image or product image, you click on send. Now you can select more than one image of that product. Let me go ahead and select even more. So you can select, let's say, 2 images, right? You select the 2 of them and then you send. The 2 images are going to be displaying. So you click on send. So when people are viewing your product, they can see all of the images of the product. So for instance, if you are putting a product, let's say we are putting this as a product. If you snap this up, you are going to snap this side, you are going to snap the back, and then just make it look like 3D, so that if the person wants to look around the product, they can easily look at the product without having any doubt in mind. So you just need to make it more professional. You cannot just like upload your product and then the person will be asking too many questions. Now go ahead and put in the product name. Now I'm going to say sketch, because obviously it's a sketch. So, and I'm going to put the price of the product. I'm going to say $200. So just put in the price, but this is actually in Naira because I'm in Nigeria. So automatically it changed to Naira. So if you put 200 right now, they are going to see it in Naira. So just to differentiate it, just put .00. So if it's 200,000, which is 200,000 Naira, you are going to put a comma to separate it. So the person is going to understand this is 200,000. So you make sure you understand how you use this properly so that you will not make a mistake. That is the price, right? And then this is the selling price. So the selling price is obviously the discount that you are offering to whoever is buying your product. So I'm going to say this is the selling price. This is the price, right? This is the selling price. This is optional. If you can leave it, you might not leave it. So I can say on the description, brand new. And if it's a used one, you can say used product or used device. So once you're done, you click on save. And if the product is already out of stock, you can click on this area. But if it's on stock, you click on save. Now, if you click on save, this is going to be saved and it's going to be saved on your catalog. So anybody viewing your catalog or viewing your profile is going to be able to see this product on your catalog. And you can even add more by clicking on add more right here. So once you're done, you can back out. Sorry guys, I'm entering my code. So once you're done, this area right here, let me just go to the chart. So let's assume we open our WhatsApp for the first time, right? And then we are lost, right? If you open your WhatsApp, it's going to be showing you the group you belong, and then you notice this is a group I created initially on my previous video. Now all of this looks like just a chart, right? But then this is what is most important to you, this one right here, the tools. So when you click on the tools, this is where you manage your catalog. If you want to add new catalog, you click on this area. You can notice where it says add new item, and you can see where it says add new collection. These two are different things. So collection means a particular category. New item means a different item. Now if you click on this, you can add item name and then product name. Now the collection is actually a category. Now let's say you have electronics, right? You have electronics. Let me just put a different product name. So done. Now you have to actually put one. So I am trying to show you guys what collection means and how to actually create your collection. So you cannot, now you notice I already have one collection, right? Let me go back. This is new. So I'm going to edit this, I'm going to change it. So let me go ahead. Before you add a collection, let me explain this again. Before you add a collection, you need to have added one item for that collection. For instance, you sell new and used product, or let's say you sell electronics, you sell electronics and you sell medical products. Let's say you sell gamepad and then you sell laptops. So you can have them on different collection, laptop collection and gamepad collection, or console collection. So now let me go ahead and explain this again. Let me add a new product. Let me put a different image. I'm doing this so that you guys will understand. So this is an axis, right? Snap it up and then send it. Let me leave one image for now, and then I'm going to say axis. Right, click on save. I did not put the price. Do not worry, I did not put the price because I assume you already know that we can put price right there. So you save it up. Now that is right here, right? Now add another product. Again, I'm going to give it I'm going to put an image. Go to the gallery, scroll down a little bit. I think I already selected that. Let me choose this one, and I'm going to send, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say art. So you obviously know this is an artwork. I just added that icon because it came there, and I'm going to say 200, and then you can put the description and everything. I'm going to click on save. I'm just rounding this because I want you guys to understand the collection and also how it works. Now I've added 2 different products, right? Apart from the first one, let me go ahead and add even one more item. So to make the description or the explanation even easier, this I'm going to call this mining. Now I'm going to put the price to 100,000. Right, and then click on save. So now I have multiple products. Now I want to create a collection for this product. The reason for creating a collection is just for it to be easier for people to understand. Whenever they come to my account, they will easily understand and purchase or go for what they are buying. So I'm going to say new product, or let me say used product, used, right? Then click what you have to, after you finish typing, you have to click on drop down so that you remove the keyboard. The keyboard does not remove automatically like other ones, so you click on next after that, and then you have to choose the products that are used products. So I'm going to say these 2 products are used one, and then I'm going to say done. So once you say done, it's going to start saving. So it will save up, and then it's going to be on a different collection. Now you can see this is a used area. I'm going to edit that a bit further. Let's say used products so that they won't be confused, right? So you edit and then you add more products. Hold on. So I have 2 different products right now. I have 2 different, the new and the used. This is the used one, this is the new one. When you click right here, you see the new product, and also when you click right here, you see this is the used one. So they have 2 different collections, used and the new one, but under the new and the used one, you can see that they have other products under them. So the person can just decide to be like, oh, this is a used product, let me see the used product, and then they will be able to see it, and then let me see the new product, and then they were able to see all of the new products. So this is actually how the collection works. You can decide to work on your own whichever way you want, and then apart from editing and adding that, you can also create a label for your chart. Now let's say you want a new customer. These are different labels. You can see new customer label are there. You can actually edit the label or just change a different color for the label, and you can also message them if you want to. That's if you've already added them, but you haven't added anybody to this label. And then you can also come to custom greeting. Now under custom greeting is actually a greeting. You greet anybody that comes to your that opens your account for the first time. So you can click on this area to enable it, because on default it's disabled. Now you can see, thank you for coming for contacting TS Tech. Please let us know how we can help you. You can also edit that by clicking on this pencil icon, and then you customize this message however it suits you. And if you are offering a product, you can just put your website link right here. You can put your website link. You remember I copied my website link that time. Let me go to my clipboard. This is it. I can paste it. So you can do visit, and then you put your website for more. So the reason why you are putting this is also advertising your website, because obviously you might not have everything entered in the WhatsApp business just the way you want. So you can put your website link so they can visit your website link. So if that is good enough, then we can move on. So I thought I hit save. So once you are done, you click on save. Do not forget you have to save it before you close. So you click on save, and this is going to save your greeting for you. And whenever you are away, you can also leave a quick message. You can notice the option for away message. You can click on that, and then you enable it, and then you edit this, and then you say thank you for messaging, we are unable. You can go ahead and edit this so it suits the way you want it to be. Once you're done, do not forget to save. So another one is a quick reply. Now this actually happens when probably you are busy, so you just leave that quick reply based on the message they are sending. So for instance, somebody asks you how much for Joe, this is actually an abbreviation, so you can just say in abbreviation how much. So I do not know how to explain this, but this is actually a short abbreviation that you use whenever you want to answer some question, because obviously somebody come to your product, the first thing they are going to ask you is how much is the product, how reliable it is. So you can just leave a quick reply, and then when you type on the shortcut, you'll be able to select the right word, and then you just type it, and then you just select it, type in the shortcut, and then you just select on it, and then it will leave the reply based on the reply you leave on the shortcut. So you can say on the shortcut, now let's assume the person says how much, and then you can be like depending on the quantity. So instead of you typing all of this when somebody asks you how much, you should just, instead of you typing depending on the quantity of the product you are buying, right? Instead of you typing all of this, you can just use the shortcut. Now, how shortcut works, you can even add more by clicking on the plus icon. Now, how shortcut works is this. I do not have any new chart, but let me just go ahead and put it here. So normally while chatting with the person, you can actually see your shortcuts will appear. Hold on, guys. So while chatting with the person on the inbox, your shortcut appears, and then when you type in the short word, it's going to appear, and then you choose that particular word. But it's not displaying right here because this is not a personal chat. So you can also see, you click on this area and you can see the quick reply. And hold on, guys. Now you can see the abbreviation of the shortcut that we used. So initially when you type it, it just displays, but now you can click on this area for the attachment, and then you click on quick reply, and then you are going to see the shortcut appear on this area. So you select this depending on the product you have, and then you send it. So whichever quick reply you create is going to appear there. So you can say good doing business with you. So you can do this also, and then it's going to appear when you are chatting with the person. So you are chatting with the customer, and then the customer, after purchasing, and then you'll be like okay, you can notice the slash is coming out, but I just want to show you. So you can click on this, and then you say good doing business with you. That is actually, but then if you put this forward slash, that is actually what I was trying to do before. It's going to bring the quick replies for you. You can notice them displaying. So if you say good, you can notice it displays here. So you can just click on that, and then it's going to type everything for you, and then you can send. So this is actually how to make your WhatsApp business easy for you. So more thing, you can also manage your business hour. If you decide to like change your business hours, everything are here. You can click on it and change it. And then if you want to change the product, you can always come here, manage the product, and here you edit everything. So guys, these are everything that you can do on your business. And also for this video roundup, you can always share your business link. You can notice this is the short link. Click on this short link. This is the link to your business. You can always copy this, and then you share it with your business or your customers or your friends. You share it with people so that they can actually help you to promote the product. So you share it with them, and then anybody that is clicking on this is going to automatically come to your page. And then apart from that, you can also advertise your business, right, in order for you to get more customers, which is actually very important. So when you advertise your business and people see it, they can always click on it and come over to WhatsApp and then start dealing with you. So you can easily create an advert by clicking on getting started and then following through the process. Let me know, guys, if you're interested in creating advertisement on WhatsApp, and leave me a comment to see if you want me to make a video specifically about that. So this basically how you manage your business. And when you are running your business, do not forget to put your email so that people can also email you. Maybe they want it to be official, they can always email you. And if you have your social media handles, you can always add them right here. And then you can also put about of your business. You can always edit this to make it look professional. These guys are actually how to make your business professional, guys. So if maybe you have further question or you have further need for things, or maybe there are things I skip in this particular video, you can probably let me know about that. And do not forget, guys, there are more things you can do on your WhatsApp business, not just creating the account and leaving it like that. You need to be managing it. And do not forget that you can actually gather phone, WhatsApp, email and everything, and then you create this amazing product called the WhatsApp broadcast, so that whenever you want to advertise or broadcast to that contact list, any message you send, they all receive it. I already made a video about this separately, but not basically for WhatsApp business. But I think if you watch this video and you understand everything I said in this video, you can do it. And if you have any question regarding this, let me know on the comment section. And also, if you decide to link your device to your PC, this is also going to work perfectly well, and it's going to make it easier for you to manage. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We'll gladly answer that. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please share the video with your friends if it helped you. Stay safe and peace.